Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to provide you with one of my edit source files, which can really help you understand how I create my edits. This project file will give you a complete breakdown of the effects, transitions, and shake used in the edit.
Esta noche voy a ser feliz.
Just keep in mind, this file will only work in After Effects software. You can find the project file in my Discord server, so don't forget to join. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.